Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: your policy number, customer ID, identity proof, and bank details so the refund clears quickly. Once done, read the policy for the cooling-off period and refund rules so you know what to expect. Next, log into the Bajaj Finserv app or website and open My Policies. Find the health policy you want to cancel and tap the Cancel option to initiate the request. This opens the formal cancellation workflow. You will now fill the cancellation form. Choose the cancellation reason and the refund method so funds go where you expect. Make sure to upload clear ID, a canceled check or bank statement, and any signed cancellation declaration, because missing documents delay processing. Once you submit, record the reference number and the stated processing timeline. If the policy had pending claims or a waiting period, expect verification steps that can extend the timeline, so plan follow-ups accordingly. After submission, you must confirm closure. Check for a confirmation SMS or email and monitor your bank for the refund within the given timeline so you know the cancellation completed. Make sure to cancel any auto-debit instructions and download the cancellation acknowledgement PDF for your records. If the refund or closure doesn't happen, escalate in writing to Bajaj Finserv grievance officer with the reference number and dates. This written trail
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.